been about a week now. We had to order the Swingarm extensions because apparently you can't lower the rear with this kit without the rear being extended. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the wheel taken off, get everything taken out, and get it ready for the extension setup. And then once we get all that off, then we're gonna get these installed, and then we're gonna get the extended swing arm or the extensions for the swing arm installed, because it's just extensions, it's not an actual swing arm. So yeah, let's get on it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get that shock taken out, and then we're gonna start working on the swing arm. Now, one thing I want to mention is that the rear hugger is already taken off of here. We took that off in the last episode because we thought we were gonna install the lower links. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this shock taken off, and then we'll start working on this back tire. So we got the wheel off. So let's move this out of the way. Let's get some gloves. So now we got the rear wheel off. So next thing we want to do is we're gonna loosen up the banjo bolt for the brake line up top. And the reason being is because since we're gonna be putting these extensions in, we need this line to be longer. And it's got a little slack up there, so we're just gonna turn it around and then pull this all the way down. Oh, we can also pull these out. But yeah, let's do that. And we are gonna have to bleed those afterwards because opening it up, you let air into the system. So we'll give it a nice little bleed when we get done. Wipe up the little fluid. All right. So now that we did that, next what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get the front sprocket cover off. And the reason being so we can change the chain out. They gave us another one that's longer. So we're gonna first take the master link off of this chain, get this chain off. I forgot to put the jack up under there, so it set down a little bit. But we got a jack under there now, so let's keep moving. I'm gonna put a little bit of red Loctite on these bolts so that way we know. Even though they are the self-locking nylons, we're just gonna put a little bit on the threads on the inside. So for the lower links, that is it. We're good. So now we got to work on the swing arm extensions. When you go to pull this out, just be mindful that you got this little clamp up there that holds some wires on that side. Instead of pulling this off and messing up how it snaps in, just unclip it and take the wires out and then take the cover off. So as you can see, this is everything that came in the kit for the Swingarm extensions. I'm pretty sure, I think these are like the billet stoppers for the side bolts. And then they even give you a chain breaker too, just in case you want to take some links off of the chain they sent you, because apparently the chain that they send is for you to extend it all the way to the back as far as you can with the extensions. And then they also send you an EK chain, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's get all this stuff unwrapped and then we're gonna start on the project. But first, let's do some unwrapping. And just like that, it is all taken out. So as you can see, we got our chain, we have our brake bracket, and I think these are the bolts that were supposed to go through the extensions, but since we have these little billet stoppers, these will be used instead. And they have their own bolts that go through, and then I think you use these nuts though. And then this is a tool they give you so that you can tighten these if you need to, or if you need to adjust the chain, because as you can see, this is actually some pretty good quality here. They have everything marked off, so the only thing you got to do is just match it up on the right sides. And something I need to remember is to make sure that this bolt is facing up and not down. The first thing you need to get installed are these extensions, and like I said, we want these bolt heads pointed up. So this one's going to go on this side and this one's going to go on this side. And they actually slid in a lot smoother than in the videos I saw. So we just need to get this chain installed and then we can get the tire put on. And we should be done. Probably have to take this fender off. Look like it may hit the wheel, but either way, it's got to come off anyway. We're gonna get it swapped out with a undertail kit. Yeah, so as you can see, this has got to go. Alright, be right back. So we got that freaking ugly fender off now. We do not have a delete undertail for it yet. Still waiting on that to come in the mail, but we can get this rear wheel on now. So let's do that. It's gonna be, as you can see, the extensions are installed. We got everything all nice and tight and buttoned up. Only thing really left to do is we just need to put the front sprocket cover on, and we need to put the rear hugger on. But the rear hugger has to be trimmed because of the fact we moved this. So after we do that, this job is complete. But you guys don't need to be here for that, so I'm gonna do that off cam. I will put a picture or a video after this showing how the bike looks now that it's lowered and stretched. But all right, guys, until the next video, see you.